literacy in math is huge. Being able to read word problems and actually understand what the question is asking, it's not just a math thing, it's a reading thing. And so when students have very low reading skills, which many of our students do, they have a very difficult time trying to understand the questions in word problem format. That they're actually better with the problem just in numerical sense versus in a word problem, because oftentimes they can't navigate the language to be able to answer the questions. And the testing aspect of math when it comes to literacy is also important, because we have students whose literacy skills are so low, they can't read the questions on the test. So the test then has to be read to them. And in order to do that, you're required to have approval for accommodations. And in order to do that, you need to have all your special ed documentation, and it can only be so many years old. And like the process to be able to get accommodations is almost like an act of God. So literacy is absolutely a huge barrier to students' understanding of math and the vocabulary that goes along with math. You know, there's just fractions alone, the vocabulary you have to learn fractions and understand what a mixed number is, what an improper fraction is, the reciprocal of a fraction. There's a lot of complicated language that just happens in the context of learning the mechanics of math. You know, you really need to take time to learn the language. Math is a language in and of itself, and not just the numbers and symbols of it, but the words of it.